What comes to your mind when you hear spot date? Perhaps you've come across the term while studying finance or while trying to navigate the intricate world of foreign exchange. Well, today we're going to demystify this concept and make it as simple as pie. First off, a spot date isn't a rendezvous point for a secret meeting or a special day to spot something unusual. No, it's a term used in the world of finance, particularly in foreign exchange markets. Imagine this. You're in a marketplace and you decide to buy a basket of apples. You pay for the apples and you get the apples immediately. That's a simple transaction. But in foreign exchange markets, it's not always that straightforward. When you decide to buy or sell a currency, it doesn't get delivered immediately. There's a standard time frame that must elapse between when the deal is made and when the currency is actually delivered. This delivery date, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call the spot date. Now you might be wondering why the delay. Why not just exchange the currencies immediately? The reason is quite practical. The delay allows both parties involved in the transaction to sort out the logistics of the deal. Remember, we're often dealing with substantial amounts of money, so a little bit of time to ensure everything is in order can be very helpful. In most cases, the spot date is 2 business days from the date the transaction is agreed upon, also known as the trade date. This standard time frame is known as T+2, where T stands for the trade date. However, it's important to note that this can vary depending on the currencies being traded and local bank regulations. So, to summarize, the spot date is the day when a foreign exchange transaction is settled, or in simpler terms, when the money changes hands. It's typically 2 business days after the trade date, but this can vary. The delay between the trade date and the spot date allows both parties involved to sort out the logistics of the deal. Remember, the world of finance is full of such terms and concepts. Understanding them not only helps to demystify the field, but also empowers you to navigate it more effectively. So the next time you come across the term spot date, you'll know exactly what it means and why it's important. And that, folks, is the essence of a spot date. It's not a spy rendezvous or a day to spot unicorns, but an important cog in the wheel of foreign exchange transactions, a little piece of knowledge that makes the world of finance a tad less complex. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the spot date. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, knowledge is power. Until next time.